guys, good afternoon. We will show you how to remove the AC filter of a Peugeot 3008. This is on the passenger dashboard. Underneath you will see this cover of the Allen key, a star Allen key. You have to remove this one using this flat screw. Just follow these steps. Once you remove, you will see a star screw. Using the star Allen key, you have to remove this one. Okay, just follow these steps. Okay, once you remove, you have to roll this cover. Okay, once you remove, you will see this open area here up the top, and then you have to remove this cover underneath also. There's two clips, like one, two, and then three. Yeah, once you remove this cover underneath, you will see it here. That's the AC filter over here, the black cover one. Okay, this one, once you remove, you will see two AC filters inside that we have to remove. Okay, I'll show you later. I will just remove these two AC filters. This is the one AC filter, and then this is the other one. Okay, see, it's two. It's easy. It's underneath, over there inside there. Hi guys,
panoorin nyo po yung aming mga gagawin pa mga video. At huwag mong kalimutan mag-like, share, and subscribe. At huwag mong kalimutan din pindutin yung notification bell para updated po kayo sa lahat ng gagawin namin mga video.
Para sa inyo to guys, mga simple tools and demo lang sa buhay mechanic dito sa Dubai. Salamat!